In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube videos suddenly getting dark on Android. So the first thing you have to do on your device, you want to open up YouTube, and when you do that, click on the U tab at the very bottom right. And when you click on the U tab, you want to go to the settings button at the very top right, which is the cogwheel. And then in here, you want to go into general, which should be the first thing on the list. In here, it's going to say appearance, and you want to click on that. And this is going to allow you to change the theme. Now, if you're currently on light, what you have to do to basically get rid of this bug or glitch is just basically switch to dark theme and just wait for a few seconds. You can either go out and then back into general and then go back to appearance over here, go back to light theme, and then you can just repeat the process, wait for a few seconds, and then switch back to your preferred theme. So for me, it was the dark theme, and then of course, after you do that, you can go ahead and see if the issue still persists, and I don't think it will, okay? So that's pretty much how to fix it. Just switch from your current theme to the other one, and then wait a few seconds, go and switch back, and that's all you have to do. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.